came to the christening, even a trio of fairies who sought to foster peace in goodwill.
Oh, look, there's a baby, a little baby.
Can you just concentrate, please? I'm not telling you again. Greetings, Your Majesty. I am the crest of the Mollet faithful.
Flatel, your kingship.
And I'm thankful for your rowaness. They bring gifts for our daughter. This is not just any gift, for you see, we're magic. I'm very good with children.
Very well.
Sweet Aurora, I wish for you the gift of beauty. My wish is that you never be blue, only happy all the days of your life. Sweet baby, my wish for you is that you fly.
Well. What a glittering assemblage, King Stefan. Royalty, nobility, the changing, and how quiet. Even a rebel. I must say, I really feel quite distressed at not receiving an invitation.
You knock, welcome here.
Oh dear, what an odd situation.
You need to read it? Why, no. And so I bear no ill will. I too shall bestow a gift on the child.
No, we don't want your gift.
Stay away from the princess. Just stay away.
Listen well, all of this. The princess shall indeed grow grace and beauty, beloved by all who meet her.
That's a little gift.
Before the sun sets on her 16th birthday, she will bring a finger on spindle of spinning wheel and fall into sleep like death, a sleep which she will never awaken.
Beneficent, please until this.
I like you baking.